Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, and welcome to the southern wing of the Stinkbugworks, that super secret research and development division of Dr. Jet Laboratories, where we sit around and invent things and make stuff. Well, as you've known, it's been several months since we've made any stuff. I've had some major revisions done on the house, and what happened was all the items in the house that were in the way were unceremoniously transferred to the Stinkbugworks and piled on top of what was already piled on top of something that was there from the get-go. So the Stinkbugworks became this disaster area, piled high with shinola on top of shinola on top of shinola, till we had a giant pile of shinola. Anyway, I have since redone this. The Stinkbugworks is just about in order. I had an LED light that went up underneath this shelf here. The problem being, it interfered with the radio there and caused static. So I've removed that and I've ordered a different style light to put in there. Now you're probably looking at all those little wrenches and you're thinking, geez, Dr. Jet must be nuts. And you don't know the half of it. I have wrenches coming out my ears and falling on the floor. So I've pretty much made this my assembly area. I'm soon going to pose the question to you, what do you want to see assembled first? Do you want to see the little tiny 14-inch cat twin or the larger H&M cat twin? That'll be a question being posed. Now, get a load of this. So I've got all this, everything I need for assembly is right here, except that light, and it'll be here soon. And then, if we come over here, why, looky here. I got a 3/4-inch airline from a 6 horsepower pump that'll put out, it's like 12 cubic feet per minute, which is enough to run my bead blaster. Bead blasters take a lot of air. So here, ladies and gentlemen, is the northern wing of the Stinkbugworks. And behold, it is ready to begin work. I still have some empty containers here I need to deal with, but it's ready to work. I've got painting, gluing, more painting stuff here. So soon, the American Dream will be sitting right here. I know Big B wants to see that one. That's one I'm looking forward to working on. It's going to be cool. I still have piles of crap to deal with, but essentially what's been happening is I clear a space and then I go to this pile and I pick up the thing on top and it says, oh, that goes here. And then I grab the next thing and, oh, that goes, over there. So that's what's happening here in the Stinkbugworks. Soon, boys and girls, soon I will actually have something on here I can work on. Until then, jet out. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, may I have your attention, please? Just for the benefit of Big B, I set the American Dream. Oh, sorry, not American Dream. This is the American Spirit. The Dream was a couple of years earlier. This is the American Spirit sitting here getting ready to be painted with red, white, and blue paint. It has stickers that say Spirit. It has frisket masks to cut for stripes and blue on the front. And boys and girls, the hull is almost but not quite ready to paint. It needs a bit more sanding and a bit more primer, but it's real close. So the sanding station's over that way, so all the dust will be over there. So I just thought I would leave this up here as the avatar, the thing for the video, just so you can see what's going to happen in the painting and gluing wing of the Stinkbugworks, the eastern wing. So until next time, boys and girls, jet out.